So this is a video about our guinea pigs and how we keep our costs low with taking care of them and cleaning them. We do not spend the $80 or more on cage liners. I don't make cage liners. I'm not great at sewing. It's not going to happen. What I do use is fleece blankets from Walmart, which are about $5 to $5.50 a blanket. They're perfect. They're the right size when they're folded in half, especially for our size cage, and our cage is pretty darn big. I've already taken the piggies out, and I've already swept out the cage. We clean our piggies' cage every 3 to 4 days. We change the liners so they don't get soaked in urine, and they're comfortable and they're happy and everything is great. So here we go. I'm going to show you what we use. So first I will put down one cage liner, fold it in half, and then I will use a towel. Any towel you want. I have a few of them that I use just for the guinea pig cages. We line that over top of the fleece blanket that's already there. And then I take another fleece blanket. You can get them in great patterns and colors. Makes your cage brighter. And then I put it over top. This makes it soft. It makes it great. The guinea pigs love it. It soaks up all of the urine. And then, once that's down, I just went to the Dollar Tree and got these mats. These mats are great for going underneath their houses just to give a little bit of extra oomph to urine, so it's soaking up more, and I put them down. After that's done, we put their houses back in. I will put their sticks back in. They love these. They need stuff to chew on, people. Guinea pigs' teeth are like rabbits or other rodents. They continuously grow. So if they're not chewing, they'll grow too much and then piggies can't eat. And then that's bad for them. I use these containers, SureFresh containers from the Dollar Tree. One is for hay, and it goes right in the corner. And this one is for their food and their lettuce and cucumbers. We'd already given them a cucumber, so I'm just going to toss that back in there. And their dish goes in here. And I always keep their piggy food in a Tupperware container. It keeps it fresh. It keeps it safe. I put enough in the bowl for two, probably about a cup. I don't know. I'm not very measury. And then I go to the store and I buy these spring mixes. They're like $4 a box. I also get field greens and all of that stuff, and they are great. The piggies love them. And then I just put some field greens and stuff in here. I probably go through 4 of these a week. I've already done 3 feedings with this. Yeah. So then, once that's in there, I will put in the Timothy hay. I get the stuff from Walmart. It's great. They love it. I always keep a fresh supply in there. It gets topped up. We clean it out when it gets icky. And the piggies love it. Make sure they get lots of water. We have 2 bottles, specifically for the fact that I have 2 piggies and they drink a lot of freaking water, especially when it's when it's really hot out, and it's hot out now. This is Dean, and he loves his cage. He's a great piggy. We love him. We'll put him in there. This is Sam. Sam is a little bit of a character. He likes it in there too. And this is our piggy's home. It's got 2 doors. We have hanging pine cones. They love the hanging pine cones. They love anything from outside. They love their houses. They have a great time. So in 3 or 4 days we'll clean these. Normally when I clean them, I will roll them up, totally shake off the little pieces, the little dish mats that are now guinea pig mats. I will shake them off, put them aside, and then roll this up. And then we are fortunate enough to have a dumpster. So I will take them up, I shake them in the dumpster, and then we wash them. We launder them as normal. I use normal laundry soap that I would use on anybody's clothes. The smell doesn't bother them. The vets have told me it's okay to do that they're healthy, there's nothing wrong with them. And yeah, so that's it about our piggies. So we get the sticks from outside, of course. I did get the domes from Walmart. They were $4 something a piece. The fleece is from Walmart. Towels were ones I had at home, but if you need towels, you can get them at the Dollar Tree. You can get them at Walmart for under $5. The hay is about $7 for a huge bag, and that lasts us almost 2 weeks. The food is guinea pig pellets with special nutrition stuff, and it is about $7 a bag, and that lasts us a month with these guys. So probably in a month I'm spending about $20 to $25 for our piggies, and that is it. We have balls. They love these balls. They may not play with them right now, but these are cat balls from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be getting some ropes for them to play with and to chew on at the Dollar Tree, from the Dollar Tree. They just love this stuff. So that's it for today. Bye, guys.